called the money shot.
We're so lucky that we've had all these incredible guests to share their brightness and their service.
You know, taking the crate to the next level, of course. But
it's a communal event. We want everyone to share what you're making, share what you're drinking, show them bottles off.
And so it started with a few friends, and then they told 2 friends, and then they told 20 friends. So you've had a pretty big reception to this, haven't you?
That also works. You're gonna turn, you're obviously gonna stir it.
What are good alternate oils?
Mustard oil is great, avocado oil, and sunflower oil I think is just like one of my favorite oils.
Vermouth it's a very ancient beverage, and all it is wine that has herbs and spices added to it.
Change the color because mom loves more color.
I mean, seriously, of course I drank like almost a full bottle of sake in the last 45 minutes here. So I'm super relaxed.
How hot is your pan? I have it over medium heat right now. Is that okay?
Yeah, so medium heat, hold up your hand, like maybe like a few inches above so you can feel the heat.